Today, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your presentations in just 2 clicks. Welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to grow your confidence online. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you're the first to get notified every time we launch a brand new video. Also, check out the links in the description box below as I share links to everything I mention as well as show notes. This feature which I'm going to show you today is going to save you a ton of time whilst creating your presentations, also whilst making them more professional. To do this, all you need to do is take your completed presentation, then go down to the Explore icon, which looks like the speech bubble with a star inside of it at the bottom of your Google Slides. If you click or tap onto it, it will open up this menu on the side with a bunch of different options available. This is perfect for if you have multiple images and some text, as it makes your slides look more professional with literally just 2 clicks. If you click on one that you like, such as this one, it will format your presentation into that and you don't have to do a thing. And let's say you didn't like this format, all you do is just click on another one. And there are a plethora of different templates to choose from, which means that you have a ton of customizability, as it means you can have a different slide as a different thing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, as we've got a ton more content just like this.